Pure Tassa silk saree, a very beautiful digital printed Tassa on acid washed, boiled, lightweight and easy to carry Tassa silk. And here we have a light blue color, Ananda 2 shade color saree with fully printed, digital printed concept prints. It's done using elegant colors. Here we have a peach and pink mixed shade color pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece. It's very contrast to the body color, you see. And we have a body, the same color given for the borders also. The pink flowers and the yellow flowers here all over the body is also really pretty. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree. A very beautiful hand painting done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very contrast beautiful color saree. The pallu of the saree is a deep pink, magenta pink shade with zari lines and same color is given for the blouse piece also with both sides zari borders. The saree border is also in the same pallu color and we have beautiful shades of green in the hand painting design in the body. It's very different and beautiful all over painted design. Multiple shades of blue and green are used here and also yellow is used. Very pretty, beautiful, different concept and unique collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very elegant digital printed saree with borders in blue shade. The saree have beautiful print all over when using the multiple colors. Purple and shades of brown and red are used in the saree. Very elegant one with navy blue color borders and the pallu of the saree is also navy blue with zari lines and plain blouse piece in the same pallu color. Very beautiful saree, best and excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful digitally printed saree with floral pattern all over, modern design, and it is done using multiple shades of orange and red. And we also have a beautiful black border with antique finish zari. The same black is the blouse piece as well as the pallu here. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece is also plain black with both sides zari borders. Excellent saree, beautiful and modern design, trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, using a very unique and beautiful trendy design. All over it is being printed with a big floral pattern. Multiple colors used, pink, purple and blue are prominent here. Very elegant design all over with a different green color borders. The pallu of the saree is also green. Very different shade of green. It's a peacock neck green without blue mix and the same green is the blouse piece. Combination is very pretty, elegant saree. A trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Very elegant yellow saree with very beautiful design, floral all over. It is a digital print and we have beautiful colors used in it. Red, blue and grey are prominent with beautiful red borders. The borders are very bright red on the zari base and we have same red blouse piece and pallu. The pallu have zari length and blouse piece is plain red. Beautiful saree, excellent combination and comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Very beautiful ash grey color. We have beautiful floral prints all over the saree. Done using multiple colors, mainly green, sea green, yellow and pink are used and the pink is given for the borders also in the saree. The same pink is the blouse piece and the pallu. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece here is plain. Excellent one. Combination is very pretty and pastel shade and comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Very elegant cream color saree with beautiful peacock and kalamkari pattern in the print all over. Very elegant colors and beautiful design is being done. It is done with a contrast border. The border is maroon color shade with zari border base and we have same maroon blouse piece and pallu. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece is plain here. Excellent saree, very elegantly digital printed in the kalamkari concept and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, soft acid washed boiled Tassa fabric and we have beautiful digital printed design. The saree here is cream base, half white color with beautiful light brown and skin color mixed color for the border and the body prints also. We have two different color shades of green used for the floral design. Very different flower. The concept is very beautiful and completely in pastel shade. The pallu of the saree here is also in the light brown and peach mixed shade and same Zari lines is given on the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in the same pallu color base. Excellent saree, very different and beautiful pastel shade, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed using kalamkari concept, a very beautiful color combination saree. Cream base color saree with very elegant peacock and the floral pattern prints, multiple colors used. The borders of the saree is beautiful bottle green shade, very elegant and very different combination. The pallu and the blouse of the saree is also in bottle green with zari lines in the pallu and a plain, full plain pattern in the blouse piece. Excellent combination, very different combo for cream, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very elegant acid washed boiled soft Tussar silk saree. A black saree here with beautiful kalamkari concept prints. Blue, green and black here are prominent with the green borders here. Olive green is the border. The same border color is given for the pallu and blouse piece. Pallu is having zari lines, vertical zari lines, and we have the same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body, black and olive green, different combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed with very beautiful kalamkari concept digital prints. Here we have a cream base color with beautiful all over peacock and floral pattern digital prints. Acid washed boiled tussar with a combination of blue here. Zari borders are with blue base, and we have the same blue, royal blue color. Pallu have zari lines, and we have a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. A contrast blouse piece for the body. It's a beautiful saree, very elegantly done, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, acid washed boiled, premium quality tussar with digital printing, kalamkari concept digital printed in this particular saree. Very elegantly on cream base, a bottle green color is a contrast border given, and we have all over red and yellow used for the printing with green here and there given. Really beautiful, very different combo saree. Beautiful deep bottle green color pallu. Pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece here is plain. Excellent saree, beautifully it's been done, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful and fast moving ash grey color with all over printed design. 3 different colors are used, yellow, green and pink. The flowers are very different and beautifully done. All over digital printed with borders in pink base. The pallu of the saree is also pink with zari lines, and we also have the blouse piece in same pink color, plain blouse piece. Combination is beautiful. The grey is always a demanded color in digital print, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful yellow saree with kalamkari design digital prints. Very elegant peacocks and floral pattern. Beautifully printed, very fast moving, beautiful collection with red borders with zari lines, zari borders. The whole saree is having a 4-inch zari border with same red blouse piece and pallu. The pallu is having zari lines and the blouse piece is plain red with both sides borders. Excellent saree, beautiful combination. The yellow of the saree is also very perfect, beautiful turmeric yellow. The print is very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Very elegant, modern art design, very elegantly digital printed using pastel color shades, light half-white base with mild shades of grey and blue are used in the saree. In a floral pattern, beautiful work with the pastel color border, pallu and blouse piece. It's almost a skin tone, mild pink and peach mixed shade color, almost a skin tone color only. Same color pallu has zari lines, and blouse piece here is also in the same color with blouse. Contrast to the body color base. Beautiful saree in complete pastel color base, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very elegant, a shade of Rama green color saree with very beautiful peacocks design printed. A very new launch, different portions of peacock, very elegant. Design is done using multiple colors. You see peacocks in various different portions, and we have a contrast pallu, blouse and border. It is a rust color. You can see multiple colors of pink, blue and orange in the peacocks also. The same orange is given for the pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece. A different combo, with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very beautiful and moisturized color, ash grey. On it we have digital printing done in a very beautiful floral pattern. Multiple and very elegant colors are used on the floral pattern, yellow, red and greens. And we have contrast border. The zari border is on the red base, the contrast border color. And we also have the pallu and the blouse piece in same red. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece is in pallu color with plain portion. Very beautiful one, attractive as well as elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very elegant kalamkari, new design in kalamkari, peacocks, very beautiful postures of different peacocks are printed all over the saree like a Buddha, big version, very elegant one in a cream base and it has a beautiful border which is contrast. The same border color, pallu and blouse piece is given. It is a rust color, almost a brick red and rust mixed color with the zari lines in the pallu, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. Beautiful saree, very elegant look, excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium digital printed collection on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here you have a very elegant cream saree with beautiful prints all over, floral design prints. The florals are done using very elegant shades of red and grey color. We also have blue given for the leaves portion. Beautiful design, and we have a contrast border in both sides on the zari border base. A very elegant look, and we have the same red in the blouse piece and pallu. The pallu has zari lines and the blouse piece is plain red with borders. Excellent collection in terms of authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very elegant kalamkari with peacock pattern, digital printed on this beautiful half white color saree. Blue is the prominent color along with cream color also. Beautiful Tassa base cream color used also along with the shades of blue, and we have border in the darker blue shade in ink blue used for the border, pallu and blouse piece. Pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece here is plain ink blue with borders. Beautiful saree, very elegant design done in a very different combination and comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a premium kalamkari concept digital print on a very pastel pink color saree. Very beautiful shade of pink it is, with multi colors used for the printed design, and we also have a border which is completely contrast, a brown border on the base of zari border. The same brown is given for the pallu as well as for the blouse piece. Beautiful and different color concept, very rare combination, and the same pallu color blouse piece in plain version. Excellent saree, very beautiful creation with authentic silk.